guys, if you want to erase and restore everything on your PC back to factory settings, just click right here on the bottom left hand side. You guys will see this icon, start. Okay, from there you guys will see this option, it says settings right here. It's on the side again, so it does say settings right there. It's right on top of this power. You guys will see that icon. Once you guys open that up, just select update and security. Under there you guys will see recovery, so that's exactly where you guys want to go, recovery. Under recovery you guys will see the very first option where it says reset this PC. From here we can choose remove everything, so that exactly will do that. It's going to remove everything and reinstall Windows onto it, so that way it's going to go back to factory settings. All your personal stuff will be erased from here, okay? So everything will be deleted if you guys do that. If you guys are just having problems with your Windows and don't want to erase everything, just select the first option. So what we're going to do is remove everything. And well, it does actually depend how many files you guys have inside. It might take a little bit longer than other PCs where there's less stuff. But anyways, we're just going to select this option. We should see the screen right now, so just click on reset. And this will take just a little bit, okay? So it does depend on your PC's performance, how long this will take, and how much storage do you guys actually have inside your PC. Next up, you guys should see your PC saying this exactly, resetting this PC 1%, and then so on until it's 100%. Alright guys, so now that it's done, do not go beyond this part. This is the setup process. Right now you guys have to force shut it down. So that means behind your computer, you guys will see the power button, where you guys can actually touch it or hold it until this shuts down completely. So the light that you guys see on the right hand side is supposed to go off. Once that's off, you're all done. It's factory reset. None of your files are here. It's all good to go. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.